one, we will connect this power cable with fuse to the plus terminal. This one come with ring, just connect to the plus terminal for step one. And the cable is from outside until the center here. Okay, for step two, we want to put this wire under, go down and come out here to the seat. This wire. This is the original plug and play wire for the player. So come out here. The wire is going down until coming out here. And the right hand side also same. Yeah, coming out here. This is the last wire. This is the subwoofer wire. So you can see the orange wire and one small socket like this. So we just put inside to the back. So until here, the wire. This is the two wire from left and right mid-range. So we just plug it here. So for the left hand side, and this one is for the right hand side. Just plug and play. Okay. Then after connect to the 2-inch mid-range. So this is the original socket for the player. So one side we plug here. Okay, just fix in. This is the socket to the original player. So we are complete on the front. Okay, this is the power amp side. So all the wiring is here. So for the first, yellow and yellow, we just connect together. This is a power from the battery, 12 watt direct power from the battery. So we connect this wire, and these two head we just connect to DSP. So this is a DSP. So we just plug here, and this is a subwoofer, signal subwoofer. So we just plug inside. So we are complete. Just fix it up. This is the last step. So connect. So this is the wire we just take from the front. Okay, we connect to the subwoofer. Let's connect this wire. Now just plug and play. Okay, and put inside. The wire is hollow here. Just put inside and screw up the center screw.